Hey now, sunshine superstar, how are you? Who sent you here? I hope everybody is doing well today. Can I just make the chat like go on where it's supposed to go? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I hope everybody's doing. Oh no, can't unlock it. Paisley, move it. I hope everybody's doing well today. Better, I think. It's hard to read down there at the bottom, but it'll go up. Anyways, I hope everybody's doing well today. Like I said, your smile just returned. I'm glad to hear it. Do you guys like my living room that I've got here? It's lovely. I enjoy it very much. I am at 963. Thank you. Yes, I am, Beverly. I appreciate that, you guys. We are indeed on our march to 1,000 subs, so I appreciate each and every one of you and all of your support. Tonight, we are going to be watching well, we have two shows for tonight. Hi, MB, lurking but listening. Understood. Copy that. Uh, we are going to we're going to hi Mike, my love, how are you? Good to see you. Yeah, we're going to be watching one set of bond hearings over this show, and then we have the rest of it in members only, plus a few other things. So, um, that's a good reminder at this point in time when we've just gotten here to please go ahead and make sure that you've turned on your gifting for the channel because we may be people gift all the time here, which I am so thankful for. So please make sure you do that. Also, make sure that you've subscribed because, like I said, on that march to 1,000, and guess what? Once we're at 1,000, hopefully we won't be losing subs, and that'll be it. You can't be in the 1K club anymore. So, without further ado, let us get back to where we left off the other day, which is right at a fugitive hearing. So, actually, before we start that, fugitive hearings are, I will just, hi, each and everything. Thank you for being here. Um, what was I going to say? Fugitive hearings. Fugitive hearings are, oh my God, okay, med check. Med check. Take your meds, guys. Oh, that's why. I was like, why are you so fucking scared? Because you didn't take your medicine. So take your meds first. Let's all do it together. Then you also have to, um, I can't drink out of this mug right now. Too hot. Too hot. Uh, okay. Fugitive warrants. Fugitive warrants are when another county jurisdiction wants, not a county, sorry, another state wants somebody back when they've become in custody. So, for example, these are out of Georgia. So when I say guess where the fugitives are from, you're guessing somewhere other than Georgia because Georgia would be able to execute their own type of warrant. It would not be a fugitive warrant because it's just different. So keep that in mind when we're guessing. Up first, we have three guys. Crystal, nice to see you. Anyways, we have three guys that are up first that are fugitives. So we're going to go ahead and check when, or just guess where we think they're from, and then we'll get moving on it. Like I said, long docket today for this. Plus, we have members only after this. Make sure you have gifting turned on, subscribe to the channel, liked the video. I think that's it. I think that's it. Oh no, each and everything. A pipe burst and flooded your whole house. That's not good at all. Oh my gosh. That's terrible. Terrible news. Um, Terrible news. Okay, here we go. Let's get these boys going and then we'll see what we're doing. Why is it? Why? There. Uh, let's go.
Which are the
All right, good morning, or yes, good morning, gentlemen. I am Judge Case Johnson, and this is what we call an extradition hearing.
Buenas tardes, caballeros. Yo soy la jueza Case Johnson y eso es lo que llamamos una audiencia de extradición.
A fugitive warrant has been issued for your arrest. You do not have charges pending against you here in Clayton County.
Una orden de arresto para un prófugo de la justicia ha sido ejecutada en su contra y usted no tiene cargos pendientes acá en el condado de Clayton.
You have been brought to court today because you have charges pending in another state, and that state is requesting your return to answer to the charges.
A usted lo han traído a la corte en el día de hoy porque usted tiene cargos pendientes en otro estado y este estado está pidiendo que usted sea enviado allá para responder por estos cargos.
Mr. Pringles, you're wanted out of Texas for Money Services Act violation. Ms. Bermudez? Mr. Pringle, you don't need interpreter?
Yep.
And-
I'm Pringle.
I mean, Pringle, you don't need interpreter?
Oh, I'm English, so I need an interpreter.
Huh? Say that again?
No, ma'am.
Okay, because I can't really see you, so I can't tell. So, okay, so you are wanted out of Texas for Money Services Act violation. Michael Maxwell? Raise your hand. Which one? Michael Maxwell?
I grant my name to the court, special deposit for future interest on my return.
What? Is this a soft sit? Did we come upon one by accident? Is that what's happening here? Hold on, we got to go back and listen closer. She doesn't even understand what's said. They are looking embarrassed, the guys that are with them. Like, what on earth? Is that... Did he say special appearance? Oh my god, I gotta mark down the time. Oh, I hurt my neck, by the way, guys. I don't know how, but turning this way is very hard. Oh. Actually, turning both ways is sort of hard. That hurts. Okay, here we go. I'll get back. Let's see.
Tell. So, okay, so you are wanted out of Texas for Money Services Act violation. Michael Maxwell? Raise your hand. Which one? Michael Maxwell?
I grant my name to the court, special deposit for future interest on my return.
Okay. All right, you're wanted out of Kentucky for failure to appear on trafficking charges. And Mr. Trabano?
Y el señor
I think she just glazed over that. Oh, massage therapist, each and everything. I would. Love it. Look at this guy's got his hand up. Also, thank you, Sunshine Superstar. So appreciate you from your friend. Love to my friend. Streamlabs. Dude, we had such a long talk last night. And then here we go. I'm disappointed, to be honest, Streamlabs. I actually think that the judge just glazed over his sort of special appearance, but or special advisor, but hilarious. Okay. Streamlabs, thank you again for literally nothing at this point.
Vino,
You are wanted out of North Carolina for aggravated assault and discharging a fire weapon.
y a usted se le está siendo buscado en el estado de Carolina del Norte por agresión con agravante y por disparar un arma de fuego.
Now, in accordance with the laws of the state of Georgia, you are brought before me for an explanation of this proceeding.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, you breaking up. Can you repeat the last
Yeah,
part you said for the interpreter?
in accordance with the laws of the state of Georgia, you are brought before me for an explanation of this proceeding.
Conforme a las leyes del estado de Georgia, usted ha sido traído ante mí para yo explicarle este procedimiento.
You have the right to contest the legality of this warrant in all extradition proceedings.
Usted tiene el derecho de desafiar la legalidad de esta orden de arresto y todo el procedimiento de extradición.
Or you may waive your right to extradition proceedings and voluntarily be returned to the state that's requesting your detention.
O usted puede renunciar al proceso de extradición y regresar voluntariamente al estado que lo está pidiendo.
Now, before you inform me whether or not you wish to waive your extradition, let me explain the following rights to you.
Ahora, antes de que usted me informe si usted quiere renunciar al proceso de extradición o no, déjeme explicarle los siguientes derechos.
You have the right to be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you.
Usted tiene el derecho de ser presentado por un abogado y si usted no pudiese contratarse un abogado, uno le sería nombrado para que lo represente.
If you desire to contest the legality of the extradition proceeding, then you must file or have filed on your behalf a writ of habeas corpus.
Si usted desea impugnar la legalidad del proceso de extradición, usted debió de haber presentado o debe de presentar una petición de habeas corpus.
You may file a writ of habeas corpus to contest the extradition. The writ of habeas corpus can only contest.
Usted puede presentar una petición de habeas corpus para impugnar el proceso de extradición y la petición de habeas corpus solamente puede impugnar lo siguiente.
Whether extradition documents are in order on their face,
Si los documentos de extradición están completos, legales y correctos,
whether you are charged with a crime in a demanding state,
si a usted se le imputan cargos en el estado que lo está buscando,
whether you are the person named in the request for extradition,
si usted es la persona nombrada en la petición de extradición
and whether you are in fact a fugitive.
y si usted es en realidad prófugo de la justicia.
You cannot contest the issue of guilt or innocence in this state.
Usted no puede impugnar o desafiar en este estado su culpabilidad o inocencia.
You are entitled to the advice of counsel in deciding whether to contest or waive extradition.
Usted tiene el derecho de tener la asistencia de un abogado para poder decidir si usted quiere renunciar o no al proceso de extradición.
So if you waive extradition, the state that's requesting you will have 30 days to pick you up. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, you will be released.
Si usted renuncia al proceso de extradición, el estado que lo está pidiendo o lo está buscando va a tener 30 días para venir a buscarlo. Si ellos no vienen a buscarlo, entonces lo pondrían en libertad.
Now, if you contest extradition and the state is unable to extradite you within 30 days, we can commit you for an additional 60 days while awaiting your extradition.
Si usted desafía el proceso de extradición y el estado que lo está pidiendo no lo viene a buscar durante los próximos 30 días, a usted lo podrían dejar en la cárcel por 60 días adicionales.
So I'm going to ask each one of you, starting with Mr. Pringle, do you wish to waive extradition and be returned to Texas, or do you wish to have a formal extradition proceeding? Mr.
Wait.
Pringle?
I'm gonna wait and go back and see it.
Okay, all righty. You'll get some documents to sign. Mr. Maxwell?
Waiving and going back to Kentucky.
Okay. Mr. Trevano?
Señor Trevino, ¿quiere usted renunciar al proceso de extradición y ser devuelto al estado de Carolina del Norte? Yes.
Sending him back to North Carolina to Mikey. Mikey, one's coming back to you. No, it's not the same. Anyways, Bob, welcome. Thank you for being here. You know, I thought he was gonna start with some nonsense, but I guess he got startled and then he just decided to wave his wave. Olivia only, welcome. Hello, how are you doing? How are you doing?
Perdón, Judge, the interpreter could not hear what Mr. Trevino is saying. ¿Puede usted hablar un poco más alto, señor Trevino, que la intérprete no le escucha?
¿Se ha regresado al estado de Norte Carolina?
To be sent back to North Carolina?
Yeah, sí.
Yes.
Is that his answer?
¿Es esa su respuesta?
Sí.
Yes.
So he's waving.
O sea que usted quiere renunciar al proceso de extradición y que lo devuelvan al estado de Carolina del Norte.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. Each of you, please make sure you sign the waivers that the deputy is going to be handing you, and good luck to each of you. Thank you, Ms. Bermudez.
Cada uno de ustedes firmen los documentos que el alguacil le va a entregar y buena suerte. You are very welcome, Your Honor. You have a good weekend.
You have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come here. Copy.
So what about Patricia Chin?
Want to see if we can do better. Calm back down, CC. Bill and Greg. Hey, Your Honor.
Hello.
Hey, can we start with Bill? Mario Bill. Paul Ready. Hold the pen.
Okay, that's your name.
You have Patricia Chin?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking for her. If you can bring her forward, put her in front of you.
You understand?
If you were to ask me who I was expecting, it's not this lady. I don't know what she did. If you're just getting here though, hi, tell me what you have for dinner. If you didn't like what you had for dinner, tell me what you wish you had for dinner. I put in a grocery order, but it will not be ready for pickup till tomorrow, but I'm still proud of myself because I have never really done that before on the internet, even though I know you can. I guess I still have a few hours to add some things to it if I get really hungry and some of you guys have really good ideas for dinner. But I won't get it till tomorrow. So it's like this weird sort of dichotomy. Dinner tomorrow. Anyways, I don't know what this lady did. Let's figure it out together, I guess. Also, I like the judge's outfit. She's wearing a nice collared shirt today. The other day, she was wearing a pearl necklace. Homemade chicken quesadilla sounds delicious. Chicken quesadillas eaten on a bed, for some reason, are the best. I don't know why. Love me a chicken quesadilla with some sour cream. Oh, seriously, life be like that.
All right, Miss Patricia Chin?
Yes.
All right, you are charged with sexual battery. That bond is set at $2,000.
What? Excuse me? I'm not ready for this right now. What? What did they just say? They they didn't that we misheard it. Jay, did we mishear it? We misheard it. I think we misheard it. Okay. Let's just double check. What a fucked up fucking day. Oh my god. Look at her face there. Oh dear. Um,
All right, Miss Patricia Chin?
Yes.
All right, you are charged with sexual battery. That bond is set at $2,000. You must stay away from Anaya Graham, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
What does waiver mean?
Okay,
Explain that
I'm
to
gonna
me.
I'm gonna schedule it. I'm gonna schedule
Okay.
you for February the 27th
Uh-huh.
at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to appear. You don't have to worry about that court date.
Okay.
And I have also appointed you an attorney. Good luck to you, sir, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any more females?
Yes, Your Honor, we have all the females remaining, except Ms. Chan and Atkins.
Let me say that again. You had Chin and who else?
All the females that, have came forward with Ms. Chan and Ms. Atkins.
Atkinson, okay. Oh, here's Miss Atkins.
Your Honor, you already dismissed Atkins.
Right. I'm looking for Miss Atkins.
Your Honor, this is Ms. Cloud.
Good morning.
Hold on a second.
Miss Cloud, all right, hold on.
You gonna have to leave early.
This may be a job person. Hold on, I have to get the job thing.
Yeah, 1:30. Yes.
Okay, Miss Cloud. Okay. That must mean I need to just dismiss all these charges, huh, Ms. Cloud?
Sounds like it.
Oh, God. All right, bring her back. For some reason, this is gone, her stuff is gone somewhere. Go, give me the next person.
Your Honor, Miss Neal, Your Honor.
Ms. Neal, all right. The rest of them, I think I'm just gonna call them out and then you guys can bring them.
Yes, ma'am.
There's so much, there's a lot of cases.
It's as loud as they can go, and they try, or sometimes they get louder, but I can't turn it up anymore. She taking forever. Oh my God. Also, I'm not needed.
All right, Ms. Patrice Neal,
Yes.
all right, you are charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $1,500, and you may not return to Connect One Recovery. And that is located at 2124 Forest Parkway. And that's in Morrow. Do you understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond?
Yes.
Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
No.
I'm gonna set your preliminary hearing for February the 27th at 8:30 a.m. And it does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am going to appoint one to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, Chris. How are you? Sorry, my neck is fucking killing me. I'm trying to be a good sport here, and like I put cream on it. I have this special cream, and it's helping, but I want to rub it. Actually, I want like somebody to punch my back. That's what I think would feel really good right now. Oh my God.
All right, Antonio Arnold. No,
Arnold.
I don't want to do that one first. We're gonna do him last. Brian Arnold.
Ryan Arnold. He's in Lebanon.
Your
And then
Honor,
the next,
in
Yeah.
regards to Cloud, she was supposed to be in JOTS, however, they did send over the paperwork to you.
okay, I'm gonna, once I, on here, okay, okay. And then after that is gonna be Kendrick Arnold.
Who is Brian Arnold? Brian. Hey, bro. Hey, Brian. Come on, bro.
Judge, you're killing me. You need to move this along. This is out of control.
Are you able to bond out? You're out. Okay, what's your name, sir?
Brian Arnold, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Arnold, you are charged with giving false name, that bond is set at $2,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to bond out?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna set your preliminary hearing for February the 27th. If you are able to bond out, you don't have to worry about that court date. And I am gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All righty, good luck to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
And then Marquise Beasley after Mr. Arnold.
Yeah, this is Kendrick Arnold. We have two
Right,
Arnold.
this is Kendrick. And then Marquavius Beasley would be next.
Okay.
All right, and so, Mr. Arnold, you are charged with theft by taking. That bond is set at $6,000, kidnapping $6,000, for a total bond of $12,000. And you must stay away from Christian Tukes, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond?
Yes, ma'am.
I've set your preliminary hearing for February the 26th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name, sir?
Previous Beasley. No.
Okay, after Beasley, it's gonna be Marcus Curry.
Who? Young?
Marcus Curry.
Curry.
All right, Mr. Beasley, you're charged with 1, 2, 3 counts of entering an auto. All 3 of those are set at 4,000. And then you have 1, 2, 3 charges of criminal damage, and those are set at 5,000 each, for a total bond of $27,000. Do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, your preliminary hearing is gonna be February the 26th, so 2/26 at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am gonna appoint one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
All right. When you guys get the right on.
It's Mr. Beasley, Young.
No, I'm Kurt.
Oh, Curry, I'm sorry, Curry.
Oh my God, his glasses are cooler than mine. But thank you guys. I love my glasses too. 964. We were at 964. Now. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
After that, it's gonna be Paul Grady.
Brady.
Good morning, y'all.
Good morning. All right, Mr. Curry, you are charged with possession of marijuana less than an ounce.
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is set at 1,000. I'm sorry, your bond is set at $500.
Hey, fellas, y'all go in the sense of.
And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
I can't get time, sir. So, cause I just less than an ounce a week.
I understand, but weed is not legal here.
Oh, Miss Carrie's back at work today. Today was her first day back at work. Shit. That means I'm gonna have to step up. Okay. Okay. So, let's not make me have to do that. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Let me rate. I so fucking appreciate it.
Georgia. So do you wish to waive your preliminary
I'm
hearing?
just trying to see, can I get a OR bond?
Have you been arrested before?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember what I said in the opening? That you don't qualify if you've been arrested before.
Well, the county give you our bonds?
This is not full.
I'm talking to the judge, so. $100.
Fulton County give you fucking OR bond? He didn't say fuck, but that's funny. I'm talking to the judge. Yeah, well, she ain't talking to you, bud.
Okay, so your bond is 500, sir. I'm gonna put your preliminary hearing for February the 27th.
So I gotta stay here to February 27th?
You can't make bond? You don't have any family that to bond you out?
You know, I still gotta go to Rice Street. That's why
You
I'm
still have
trying,
to go to-
yeah, I gotta go to Rice Street, but I'm trying to find a way I can,
What you have to go to Rice Street for?
cause I got address mix up. Address mix up. I
Oh.
was staying one place and they sent my court date to the wrong address.
Mm, mm, mm.
So I just had to change my address, that's all. And I was just thinking like, since it was less than an ounce of weed, then maybe you could have some compassion. Because all I do is go to work every day. That's all I do, man.
Okay, well, I will take that under advisement and I will let you know. I mean, I will take that under advisement, but right now it is 500.
So basically, I'm gonna have to be in here till February 27th.
Sir, I'm taking it under advisement, okay?
I don't understand what you mean by that, ma'am.
I'm gonna think about whether or not, I'm gonna look back at your history and some other things to determine if I'm willing to give you a signature bond or not.
You gonna let me know today?
You'll know today.
All right, before I leave. Okay,
Yes, you'll know today.
all right. She just told me that she gonna let me know today. Hurry.
Deputy,
Yes, ma'am.
let him know I dismissed his charge before he
She dismissed,
get some more charges in there.
she dismissed your charge. You're free to go.
Oh, so I'm going home?
Yes.
Okay.
You still have to go back to your house and you need to come get you.
You sure going?
She said this.
Who are you leaving, Your Honor?
Okay, Paul Grady and then Rashad Faulkner.
What? Hold on. Who? Did she just dismiss the charges of the guy she just spent time talking to? That she gave a $500 bond? What the big D? Don't block your blessings. That's right. Don't block your blessings. Wow. That's so weird. A nonchalant D. You know, we get those from time to time. You know, you sometimes might miss a nonchalant D. Jesus Christ. Nonchalant D.
Grady.
What's your name, sir?
Grady.
Mr. Grady?
It's Grady.
First name is,
Yes.
all right, you are charged with obstruction. I've set that bond at 1,000. Given false name, 1,500. Simple battery, 1,500 for a total bond of $4,000. and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yeah, I do, but I ain't know I had a simple error charge.
Yes, you do. And so I'm going to put your preliminary hearing at February the 27th.
I don't want the preliminary.
You can bond, you're going to bond out?
No, but I mean, it's a waste of time. I don't want to go to it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put it down anyway, because I don't want you to get lost in the shuffle. So I'm gonna give you a court date. You can decide after that. And I've also appointed you an attorney. Okay?
Is he going with the same strategy as the guy before? He's like, maybe she'll just dismiss it. Oh, Crystal, jealous. Jealous. Oh. Spend all my money on food. I don't have any money for weed, but that's the way life is. I have a little bit of weed left.
Okay? Good luck to you, sir. Mr. Faulkner, and then Patrick Green.
Patrick Green?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Faulkner, you're charged with giving inmate drugs, alcohols, or a gun. That bond is denied. You are currently on probation, Clayton County Superior Court. You were sentenced on October 1st of 2021. So I cannot give you a bond on that. I am going to appoint you an attorney. And your preliminary hearing date is your preliminary hearing date is February the 26th at 8:30 a.m. Good luck to you, sir.
A guard or maybe a visitor, Courtney. Or possibly another inmate that was already across the guard line. Somebody who crossed the guard line, I would imagine. Orange push pop. Oh, I'm jealous. They're all made up strains, Courtney. I've told you this before. Names of pot strains are all made up. And each strain is different. It's worth trying them if they look good. The problem is when you can't see them to look at them. My fucking shoulder hurts. Now, it's like my shoulder and my neck. Ow.
Look at, housing 6, Mr. Faulkner.
No, I know Jack Herrera is real. My whole point is that, okay. What I mean is this. In the past, weed strains were real things that people bought seeds for and planted and did all that stuff. But since there's been such a proliferation of people hybridizing different strains of weed, growing different like crossbreeding all those different things, and naming things differently. The naming is not, there's no standard naming convention in the pot world. So you can't rely upon it. And unfortunately, while Jack Herrera is real, there's nobody ensuring that what people put on a package label is Jack Herrera. Because that requires the person who puts it onto the label to be a good, like, to be honest and upfront. You can say whatever you want, really, and everything's a hybrid other than landrace strains. Landrace strains are very hard to find, but everything's a hybrid. They're just leaning either indica or sativa, but everything basically is a hybridization of that. And secondly, I know when they glow with all clones, and I'm not saying that there aren't even the majority of dispensaries growers are proper. They are growing and selling what they think they're selling, and it's honey pea good. What I do know is that there are those unscrupulous growers and sellers that ruin it for a lot of people. So that's why what I say is you go by your eye. If you can see the pot, you can generally see quality. That's why I hate the direction that a lot of legal weed has gone in, where it's packaged and you can't see any of it. I don't think that's good for the dispensary. I don't think it's good for the producer. I don't think it's good for the government as the middleman. I don't think it's good for anybody, especially not the end user. But um, anyways, let's continue watching this. Yeah, I've got my coffee here. I don't know. Do I need to make popcorn or something? I don't know. I'm all late. Right. Am I hangry? What do I need? What do I need?
Give me green. Hey, gentlemen, as y'all walking down that hall, your hands will be behind your backs, gentlemen. Hands in your shirt, hands behind your back. Let's walk down the hall. Mr. Green's coming, y'all.
I'm sorry?
Mr. Green is on his way.
Okay, and then we're gonna do, Jerron Jordan.
Nothing about this fucking docket is relaxing except for Chris gifting memberships. Thank you, Chris. Yay, Moonfox. Seriously, thank you so much, Chris. Seriously, the only relaxing part about this, other than that, this entire docket has been absolutely not relaxing whatsoever to me. Is court ever relaxing, Paisley? Yeah, sometimes it is, actually. I don't know why. You don't think I looked for Judge Dismissal Dan? Of course I do. I look for him every week. I want him to come back so bad. So bad.
So y'all want him to that podium to the podium from that. Right to the podium. So then we want to go. I got you behind. Come on, come on, come over here. Who's doing? Go on, do it. State your name, last name, first name.
All right, Mr. Green, you are charged with violation of Drug and Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at $3,000. Another violation of Drug and Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at $3,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce. That's going to be $500. Possession of a firearm by a convicted felon is $8,000. Possession of a weapon during a crime, $3,000. And driving on suspended license, $1,500, for a total bond of $19,000. Do you understand the charges against you? I'm gonna I put your preliminary hearing for February the 26th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing you an attorney. Good luck to you, sir.
I said, come on, Mr. Green. This is Jordan. Right.
All right, Mr. Jordan, you are charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $500. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce. That bond is set at $1,000, for a total bond of $1,500. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes,
Are you able to bond out?
yes, I got my girlfriend, because currently situation is I'm really homeless, so I don't really got full access to getting help if I stay here longer. So I'm trying to look to the girlfriend to help me out, because I'm hitting being on the streets. I got a tough situation with my family I'm trying to overcome, and I need help for it.
You need what?
I need help. I'm trying to get resources to try to get myself off the streets for what I'm going to do since I've been 16. My focus.
Well, I will see if I can have somebody come and talk to you today, okay?
Yeah, and then also I've been that's what I'm saying. I'm not understanding. Like, I understand what I'm charged with about the criminal trespass, but
Guy, you're not making any sense. Also, yay, Jonathan did it. There it is. I was like, oh my god, I fucking missed it. Right, Racy? We need to puff past him. I mean, he's, again, I guess you don't sink any shots you never take. I don't know what the saying is. You know what I mean. In sales, they used to say something. You don't sell anything. I don't know. It obviously didn't work for me, but swings, maybe you don't hit any balls you don't swing at or something like that. Maybe that's it. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, Chris Angleby. You guys, so sweet. As a great reminder, it is members only coming up after this. We are not staying here for this full fucking hour and 40 minutes of this. Sorry. So we got a little bit more time here before I will be calling it for this Sunday of Court Watchers Anonymous, and then we will be moving into our members only. I think we'll do members only at 5 o'clock, which is 8 p.m. East. So, yeah, we'll probably do about half an hour more of this and then a little break, and then members only at 5 p.m. East or 5 p.m. Pacific, which is 8 East. And yeah, we have a little bit of court, but we also have some body cam videos, some weird videos to watch today. So it should be fun. Let's continue on, shall we?
This not my first time keep coming in for the same thing, and I want the judge. I'm trying to get y'all to understand that when they arrested me currently for the criminal trespass act, where I told the Marley police when they got me off the train that I did not want to go back in them for stuff because I know that I was gonna end up in this type of situation. They didn't listen to that. They took it upon themselves to tell me to pay another $250 when I already paid to get on the train to even ride the train. To not be in the situation because there's a lot of homeless people be riding the train every day. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand.
Okay, well, you can't keep going to the airport.
I know that. That's what I'm saying. I'm telling you that I wasn't trying to get off the train because I knew that they was going.
Okay, well, you can't be riding the train that goes to the airport.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I feel like I know I messed up I rode the train towards the airport, but I'm saying though I was not trying to get off of the stuff because I know I just told you that I have a criminal history of going to the airport for the same
So if I
time.
let you out, Mr. Jordan, if I let you out, where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go to my girlfriend because this is the only person that I got left in my life is my girlfriend because she helped me. I don't got nobody else. My girl might not show helping me.
All right, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna, but you need to make sure that the courthouse has a good address for you. Because when they send that notice, if you don't appear, they're gonna come and get you and lock you up again.
Okay.
So I'm just letting you not post a bond, okay? But you have to come to court and answer to those charges.
Okay.
But you'll be released today.
Okay.
Don't disappoint me. All right, so the next one, can I get Maria Richardson?
Richardson.
Jordan.
And then Kevin Sainsbury?
Richardson. Maria Richardson.
Richardson and Sainsbury?
Yes.
Who's next after Richardson, Yona?
Sainsbury.
Sainsbury.
Mhm. All right, Ms. Richardson, you are charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at $3,000. No insurance, $1,000 for a total bond of $4,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for February the 26th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. If you don't have any questions, you're free to go. Good luck to you.
On that side, so she can see you.
Is Mr.
Is that a
Sainsbury,
child?
Yona? Who's next?
What's that?
Who's Dr. Sainsbury?
That's going to be Benton Johnson. Okay, Mr. Sainsbury?
Yes.
All right, you are charged with improper lane change. That bond is set at 500. Divided highway restriction violation, 500. No driver's license, 500, for a total bond of $1,500, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for February the 27th at 8:30 a.m. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you.
Hey, Vincent Johnson already know, right?
Don't know.
You said he was B&B earlier, right?
Oh, yeah. Vincent
Mr.
Johnson.
Johnson?
Vincent Johnson is a B&B owner. He's already bonded up.
Oh, so Vincent Johnson bonded out.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, up to bond. So the next one. Okay, so Benji Alexander.
You gotta hand it up.
Yeah, I know. We'll take him back to it.
I need Benji Alexander.
This is a terrible. Terrible docket. Oh my God. Is Chris leaving? Oh, you're leaving now? Okay. Sorry, I thought you were saying that you were going to take care of my back. See, my fucking brain's not working properly. I literally was like, well, one of us will take care of KCC's back at members only. That's what my brain thought that you said there. All those words are in that, but that's not what you said. Oh my God. I'm delusional.
And then after that is going to be Dexter Allen.
Dexter Allen next. Dexter Allen is next.
We didn't even need to go.
Say that again.
We didn't even need to step aside.
Nah, you good. Look at your grand name. She ready? Sainsbury. Hey, Your Honor, you're Rick Sainsbury, correct?
You'll mind it.
I'm done with Mr. Sainsbury.
Sainsbury, come on. What's the hell you Yeah, your name.
Morning.
All right, Mr. Alexander, you are charged with failure to maintain,
I'm trying to what?
failure to maintain signal lights,
Yes.
possession of marijuana less than an ounce, and tampering with evidence. Your bond on the failure to maintain signal lights is 500, possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 500, tampering with evidence, 500, for a total bond of $1,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one to you. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
I'm trying to get.
That again?
I was trying to see if I get an OR slash signature bond.
No, I can't give you a signature bond.
No. Oh, jeez. Oh, fuck. That's funny. Hi, Christy.
I gotta Can you tell me how
So,
much?
no, I can't give you a signature bond.
Can you tell me how
So
much
your bond is 1,500.
with the bail bond, how much you think it'd be?
Sorry?
With the bail bond, do you know how much it would be possibly?
So 10% of 1,500 is 150, so I'm thinking 200 something to get you out.
For all of it, $300, $200?
I'm sorry?
200 or 300 possibly to get me out.
It depends on what bonding company you use. It's 15% usually.
All right, so I guess
All right.
speed travel.
You wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Uh,
Okay. I'm
Right.
going to set your preliminary hearing for February the 27th at 8:30 a.m. You have any questions, sir?
if I can get bond now, I still have to,
Yes, you can get bonded out. Good luck to you, sir.
thank you very much. Ma'am.
And that's Mr. Allen and then Mario Bell.
Okay, fuck right off. That's if anybody hangs out at it's a monkey. You know that Mario Bell is a frequent watcher, commenter. Oh shit. Um, Also, I just wanted to pause and say hi, Jim Huntsman. But also, my God, this cup is keeping my coffee so hot that it is not drinkable at this point still, and it's been like an hour and a bit since I made it, and it's still literally undrinkably hot. Hashtag not a sponsor, hashtag yet, or hashtag not a sponsor yet, my Bubba cup. Oh, which is all greasy from all the cream that I've been putting over my neck and shoulder. Was here. No.
Yeah, Sean.
All right, are you Mr. Allen? All right, Mr. Allen, you are charged with obstruction. That bond is set at 1,500. 2 counts of terroristic threats. Both of those are 4,500. And disorderly conduct, 1,500 for a total bond, $12,000. You must not have any contact with Ayana Campbell, and you may not return to 8325 Regent Street in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond?
Yes.
It appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you. That's February the 27th. All righty, good luck to you, sir.
All right, so you say I can bond out?
Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you.
All righty, good luck. After Mr. Bell, it would be Robert Burke.
Robert Burke.
Hi, Reese. Also, thank you, Doggy Deb. I appreciate the virtual muscle relaxer. Actually, the cream is working. It's excellent cream. It's obviously pot cream. Okay. But it's working, but it works best if it's rubbed in. I actually there was a time in my life when I used to get massages. Oh my God. One day. Hashtag goals. I'll get back to that. But I had one masseuse who would use this cream and because they like tried it and they're like, shit, it's really good. I was like, it's really good, right? They're like, it's really good. Like people are like, really, I mean, it's good, good. So they would like offer it as an add-on to their service, but I also just brought my own cream and they would use my cream and do it for me for free. And they didn't sell the cream. I mean, again, you can't legally now, but um actually I bet the cream's not even legally allowed. Anyways, whatever. It's besides it's the best cream around. Best fucking cream around. The best cream around. That's what she said. Also, like I said, uh muscle relaxers and weed is the bomb. Well, no, it's not biofreeze. No, no, no. It's called green bone. But I don't know that you can get it in the States.
All right, wait. All right, are you Mr. Mario Bell?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you charged with public indecency? That bond is set at 5,000. I'm gonna appoint an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is February the 27th at 8:30 a.m. Good luck to you, sir.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, you can get this cup at Walmart. That's where I got mine, at Walmart. Also, I put one on my Amazon wish list, which is linked. Hi, Philip Heels. My Amazon wish list, I put a different colored one on there, but you can follow from there to look for them for yourself. On my Amazon wish list, the cup is on there because it's a certain type. Oh, yeah, that hurts a little bit. It's vacuum insulated. Like I said, it works like a fucking amazing. I know everybody's into a Stanley mug. Of course, I would love a Stanley mug, but in reality, I've had this Bubba mug for quite a while. The only problem with this mug, and I think the same problem exists with the Stanley mug, is that they're in no way sippy cup for adults. They do not spill, as evidenced by the number of spills that I have had. Not a lot, and the lid is good, but there's a wide open hole at the top. Even though that, and it stays fucking hot even with that. You'd think, oh, they have to keep it sealed to make the cup work, like a thermos. But that's not the case. I don't understand it. I mean, you need the lid on to keep it long, like cold, hot for a long, long time, but I'm telling you right now, I oh, you haven't heard of this brand? How is that possible? It's very popular. It's normal. Like it's big. It's a big brand. This is a big brand. That's why they're hashtag not a sponsor yet. But one day. And I've legit like it's so who drinks out of a sippy mug? I should. What I found though, Philip, is that two things about this mug. One is that it makes me enjoy my coffee for a long. You haven't heard of it either? Is it Canadian? Oh my God. I can't believe that because it seems too big. I'm looking it up right now. Um, God damn it. Bubba brands. I'm gonna laugh so hard if they are like some Canadian bird. Like, let's read Bubba's story real quick. In 1997, Bubba launched to make drinkware people love. It all started with the Bubba keg, and over the years has evolved to fun-filled designs made for all your favorite social occasions, whether hitting the beach for a spring break trip, spending time poolside with friends, or tailgating with your crew to support your favorite team. Bubba is built large to maximize the moment. Bubba bottles come in bright, vibrant colors with fun paint finishes and graphics that are always as expressive as you are. They are easy to use. Oh, the fucking punctuation on this website is actually hurting me. They didn't punctuate any of the sentences properly, and I'm actually afraid I'm on a bootleg version website. Whose choice was that? What marketing meeting became this? Bubba and its Chicago-based team of passionate, creative employees strive to inspire people to always feel like they're part of the fun. Oh my God, they sound like they actually would like to sponsor me, don't they? Maybe we should reach out to Bubba, all of us, about me. Bad grammar is the sign of a scammer, but it's also the sign of a hipster. Amazon sells them, yeah, Bubba. And this one is this, like, what is it? I think there's a special name for it. But it is steel walled in the inside, and it's so hot. Like, this is still steaming hot. Um, I don't remember what the name of this is, and I can't turn it upside down because it's not sealed. And it comes with a straw. That's right. But I literally got mine at Walmart. So, oh, but it literally is so hot you can't fucking drink it that. Like, you have to slow down a bit. Okay. It survived a fire? Um, and my daughter has the water bottle, that's right. So I bought the big water bottle and she loves it. Baba Envy. Yeah, that's what I think it's called, Jim. That's what it's called. Yes. And I would really like the other color, but again, I'm also trying not to ascribe myself to this like life of needing multiple Stanley Cups, but I will tell you that um this makes me drink my coffee a lot longer. Yeah, you can keep it's hot cold. I've told you guys this. Like I can put ice in it and it'll have ice the next day. It's fucking nuts. Again, I'm it never ceases to amaze me when I put in a cold drink and then literally the next day there's ice still left in it. So, yeah, in my Walmart anyways, you know where your water bottles are? They're with the water bottles. And they're like $18 Canadian. So I would guess maybe like $15 US. Anyways, let's watch a little bit more of this and then and I'm not joking, like it's hot as fuck. Super hot. Like be careful. It's that hot. Um yeah. One of my is Walmart a department store? A Shields? What's a Shields? 16.90. Wow. Wow, what a better deal in Canada. If it's 16.99 US, but it's only 18.99 Canadian, that seems like a better deal for us, which is odd. We don't often get the better deal. Also, I really think, anyways, whatever. Keep that part to yourself, please. Let's keep going. Let's keep going because we're stopping in about 10 minutes so I can make popcorn before members only. Shields is like a Dick's. Okay, we don't have, well, we do have Dick's, but not the kind you're talking about. And we don't have Shields either. What we do have is Sport Check. Do you have Sport Check? Pretty sure Sport Check would be our national sort of brand of store to get sporting goods. Or Canadian Tire. I'm sorry, you would go to Canadian Tire for that, or you could go to Walmart. But yeah. And also the other good thing, the last thing I'll say about this cup right now is that the straw it comes with is a smoothie size straw. So you can actually put your smoothies in this. And what gets me, like, which is crazy, because I love a smoothie, but I hate a smoothie that's melted. It's just such a tragedy. And this will keep you having your smoothies cold and in their perfect smoothie form for hours. Okay. So you can make it really a big smoothie. Thank you, Sunshine Superstar. But you can make it a really big smoothie and put it in here and know that it's gonna keep well. So what I would do, I would fill this up, cover it, and then put the overflow into another cup, drink that first, and then come back to the smoothie that is still in perfect form because of the bubble mug. Hashtag not a sponsor yet. Thank you.
Yes. Come on, sir.
And after Mr. Burks would be Xavier Foster.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Burks,
Yes, ma'am.
you are charged with possession of Schedule I controlled substance. That bond is set at $3,000. The possession of a firearm by a convicted felon and the possession of a firearm. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. All right, so possession of a Schedule I is $3,000. Possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, I have dismissed that charge. Possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime, that bond is set at $4,000. And possession of marijuana less than an ounce, that bond is set at $500. For a total bond of $7,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
He didn't hear the last part, Your Honor, you went out.
I said I've appointed an attorney to him.
Okay. I plan on getting my own attorney. I just filled that out just in case.
Absolutely. Very smart.
Good to go?
You're good to go. Thank you.
Oh, Foster, Xavier.
And the next one is going to be Christopher Freeman.
Yes, Your Honor.
All righty. Mr. Foster, you are charged with open container. That bond is set at $500. Driving with suspended license, $1,000. Driving under the influence, $3,000. For a total bond of $4,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
You say you do want to waive your prelim?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to bond out?
I thought it speeded up. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bond out yet.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint you an attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
And the preliminary hearing date
Yes, ma'am.
is gonna be February the 27th at 8:30 a.m. All right, your bond is 4,500. Appoint an attorney, and your preliminary hearing date is 2/27. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that day.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good one. Good luck to you.
Last case that we're gonna listen to. Philip, enjoy your shopping. I did mine online because otherwise I spend more money that I don't have. So I had to really focus on my shopping this time. I've never followed a list so well in my life as when I did it this time because I was just doing my actual list. It was weird. It was weird. I'm gonna say that it was weird. Um, anyways, scalloped potatoes sound delicious. I wish I was having those. Once again, as a reminder, my groceries will not be ready for pickup till tomorrow. So regardless of what I've ordered, none of it will help me today. Great. Hi, Ed. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. We are almost done here, and you're not a member. That's a problem because we have members only coming up at 5 o'clock Pacific, 8 o'clock East, where we will be watching some other fun stuff. I don't want you to miss it. That would be terrible. Just terrible. You too, Christy. Oh, Cellulite Yoga Pants Snarky Cooking. I love it. I went back and asked somebody in my house if they would be willing to rub my back. And I will not repeat the words that they said to me, but I will say the answer was no. And then there was a complaint. Oh, fucking hilarious. Okay, like I said, last one for this, and then we are good for later.
Well,
Oh, oh my God. Philip Heels, thank you so much. Nancy, thank you so much. Philip, look at that. You got Colin a membership. Oh, I think Colin's watching football tonight, but Mimi was gifted one too. You guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Philip Heels, for your gift. I have so appreciate it. Thank you, Nancy. What in the Jonathan too? You guys, you are amazing. Thank you so much. Seriously, what a way to put a smile on my face. You are amazing. Um, Seriously, you guys. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. We are on the march to 1,000. Is that gonna happen? I'm pretty sure soon. I'm really hoping before February. I'd really love to start February, the whole month at 1,000, but we'll see. Anyways, thank you again, you guys. Let's watch this gentleman, see what he's here for. A great horned owl, Envy. Oh my. Well, thank you for making members only happen for other people, Philip. Even though that you can't be there, you made it happen for other people. So thank you so much. I appreciate that. Seriously, so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's keep going or else I'll talk forever.
All right, are you Mr. Freeman?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Freeman, you're charged with failure to register A bond is denied. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for February the 26th at 8:30 a.m. I'm appointing an attorney to you. If you don't have any questions, good luck to you, sir.
Okay. Failure to register. We all know what for. Terrible thing to have living next door. Allegedly, in my opinion. Nah. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Listen, if you haven't noticed, I made a new banner for the channel because we are going to be setting a little bit of a work-life balance. Slightly. In reality, I'll probably still be streaming on the weekends, but I'm definitely committing to Monday through Friday live streaming. Sunday's still going to be members only, and then we'll see what happens in between. But I just, that's starting probably next week. Anyways, I hope that everybody's had a wonderful time. See you at members only. Remember, no gambling at members only, no Streamlabs. He is not included at members only. And go make some popcorn or something, and that's what I'm gonna do before it's time. Okay? And remember, I love you, I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Who said bye? Bye, guys. Crack myself up.